Dear students, today I am going to explain the problems of JEE mains examination which were asked in 28th July, that is yesterday. Okay, so coming to first problem, find the probability that a 3-digit number has at least 2 odd numbers. At least 2 odd numbers. That means probability of a 3-digit number which has at least 2 odd numbers. That means what are the how many 3-digit numbers will be there? So from 100 to 999. Total 3-digit numbers are 900 are there. 3-digit numbers are there from 900 to 990. So there are total 3-digit numbers are 900. From this you have to find out a 3-digit number. From that 900 you have to select a 3-digit number which has at least 2 odd numbers. At least 2 odd numbers means what? Odd, odd, even. Otherwise, odd, even, odd. Otherwise, even, odd, odd. Otherwise, all the odd numbers. All the odd numbers. Okay. From the digits we know that 0 to 9 there are 5 odd numbers, 5 even numbers. 5 odd numbers, 5 even numbers. So here 5 odd numbers, what are they? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. They can be filled in how many ways? 5 ways. That is also 5 ways. And this even number is also filled in how many ways? 5 ways. Okay, now again. This odd number is filled with 5 ways. Even number 5 ways. This odd number 5 ways. So coming to here you should not take 0. Here you should not take 0. Even number you should not take 0 except 0. You can fill with either 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. That means first place can be filled with 4 of the numbers. So again this is a 5 and this is 5. And odd number 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, now. So 5 5s are 25. So that is a 125. That is also 125. So this is 100. This is 125. Total 475. Total favorable cases are how many? 475. Total number of cases are 900, out of which favorable cases are 475. So if you cancel this, you will get 19 by 36. So 19 upon 36 your correct answer. Okay. So very easy problem this is. The one thing you have to remember is here it takes only 4 numbers. That is 2, 4, 6, 8. Why? Because it is in a hundreds place. You should not keep 0 here. If you keep 0, what happens? It will become a 2-digit number. Okay. So very easy problem it was asked in yesterday. I hope that you understand the solution. Let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to second problem. Here there are 2 statements are given in this statement. First statement, negation of P or Q or negation P or R. And the second statement, P implies Q or R. There are 2 statements are given. We have to say this 2 statements are either equivalent or not. So that is the question given actually. So both the statements are equivalent or not. So generally students what they will do know, they start writing the truth tables. So truth tables P, Q, R, negation P, next negation P, R, Q, again negation P, R, again R. So there will be 8 possible cases will come. From this they will take truth tables. So without doing truth tables, let us draw the Venn diagrams. So the problem will be solved within minutes. Simply the Venn diagrams means here P, Q, R, no. So consider the sets as A, B, C. If R is there, union, and is there, intersection. That's all. So very easy one is first draw the 3 sets, call them as P, Q, R. So this is a P, Q, R. I am writing statement 1. Right. So this is a P and it is Q and it is R. P, Q, R. Negation P. So okay. So this is a universal set. Negation P means what? First I am writing negation P. Negation P. Otherwise you can write it as a negation P of QRR. Negation P of QRR. So very easy, both are same. Actually simply saying Both are equivalent. Both are equivalent. So by distributive property, you can write it as. So negation P means what? Negation P means what? Outside. This is negation P. This is negation P. Outside of P. Okay, now. QRR. QRR. QRR means what? This is full. This is a full. This is QRR. Okay, now. So if you speak this is also the same thing. So the formula is same, negation P or QRR. The formula of P implies QRR is also same as negation P or QRR. For this also you will get the same Venn diagram. Same Venn diagram you will get. Therefore the given two statements are equivalent. That's all. That's all your answer. Understand? So better you draw the statements in terms of Venn diagrams. The problem will be solved very, very easily. Okay, na? So I hope that you understand the solution. Let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to third problem. If A bar, B bar and C bar are three vectors are given clearly are coplanar. All these three vectors are coplanar. Also A bar dot C bar is equal to 5, B bar is perpendicular to C bar. Find the value of 122 times C1 plus C2 plus C3. Very, very easy problem. The only thing required is solving the equations. Solving the equations. Here, first thing it is given that A bar, B bar, C bar are coplanar. That means immediately we have 2, 1, 3, 3, 3, 1, C1, C2, C3 is equal to 0. If you solve it, you will get one equation in C1, C2, C3. You will get one equation. And one more thing is also given. A bar dot C bar is equal to 5. What is A bar dot C bar? That is a 2C1 plus C2 plus 3C3 is equal to 5. It is second equation. Okay, now. Third what condition is given, B bar is perpendicular to C bar. B bar is perpendicular to C bar means B bar dot C bar is equal to 0. What is B bar dot C bar? That is equal to 3C1 plus 3C2 plus C3. C3 is equal to 0. This is third equation. Okay, now. Now solve these three equations. Solve these three equations. You will get C1 value, C2 value, C3 value. There is no shortcut here. First remove C3 and next you will get two equations in C1 and C2. You solve them and ultimately the answer for this problem will be 122. C1, C2, 3 value is 150. 150 is your answer. Okay. So try to solve this problem. Try to solve this problem on your own. And you will get the answer as 150. Okay, now so very direct problem it is. Okay, so this type of problems are also giving in the examinations. Please concentrate on this type of problems also. Okay, so let us go for next problem. So dear students, welcome to fourth problem. So one more problem is given from area under the curve. So find the area enclosed between the curves y square greater than or equal to 8x, y less than or equal to root 2x and x greater than or equal to 1. So very, very easy problem. So first to draw the graphs of y square is equal to 8x, y is equal to root x is equal to 1. Afterwards greater than, less than, afterwards we will see. First basically draw those two curves. So here, so x axis, y axis, y square is equal to 8x is a parabola, passes through origin and lies entirely in the first. So this is y square is equal to 8x. Okay, now next, y is equal to root 2x is a straight line passing through origin and lies in first and third quadrant. So this is a y is equal to root 2x. Right. Next one, x is equal to 1 is a horizontal vertical line. So this is x is equal to 1 line. Okay, now what is the area enclosed between? See here, y square greater than or equal to 8x. Y square greater than or equal to 8x and y is less than or equal to 2x. Of course, this also should be, I think some problem mistake is there. Y square greater than or equal to 8x means outside will come. and y less than or equal to, so x greater than or equal to means I think it should be here less than or equal to, I think y square less than or equal to 8x. Y square less than or equal to 8x means down, inside, down. Y less than or equal to root 2x means this also y less than or equal to root 2 means this is this comes down. This also should be greater than, this should be greater than. Okay, now x greater than or equal to 1 means that right side. So this area you will get, this area you will get. So these are all memory based questions. Memory based questions, it will all this. So I think y square less than or equal to 8x should be there. Y square less than or equal to 8x should be there, and y should be greater than or equal to root 2x should be there. Y should be greater than or equal to root 2x. It's okay. And the x also should be greater than or equal to 1. That means right side. Okay, that area we have to find out. So to find out that, we should know the point of intersection of this. That means this should be the upper bound, no? Upper bound x is equal to, what should be that? To do that, we have to solve these two equations. These two equations we have to solve. The y square is equal to 8x. Therefore, here also y square is equal to how much? Y square is equal to 2x square. So here 8x is equal to 2x square. One x is equal to 0 we got, and then x is equal to 4 you will get. 2 1s are 2 4s are cancel, x is equal to 4. So ultimately, what is your area? Integral 1 to 4. Integral 1 to 4. What is the upper curve? Upper curve means y square is equal to 8x, y is equal to root of 8x. That means 2 root 2 root x minus what is the lower curve? This is the lower curve, that is root 2x dx. Okay, now right, now you solve it. So this is equal to 2 root 2 into root x means x power 3 by 2, again it is 2 by 3, minus root 2 into x square by 2. So this is equal to upper bound, lower bound. You calculate this, so this will be your answer. So here some students are saying different things they are saying. Some are saying this is y greater than or equal to root of 2x also, some are saying y greater than or equal to root of 2x, some are saying like that. So but different things they are saying. But if it is the problem, the answer procedure will be like this. Okay, na? So I hope that you understand the solution. Let us go for next problem. So dear students, here see here 62C30, that means NCR formula. So what is NCR formula? N factorial, that means 62 factorial upon 62 minus 30, that is equal to 32 factorial times 30 factorial minus 60 factorial by 60 minus 29 factorial, that is equal to 31 factorial times 29 factorial. It is alpha into 60 factorial by 30 factorial into 31 factorial. Here, so here if you observe in a logical way, observe here first one, here 62 factorial, 60 factorial, 60 factorial. You can cancel 60 factorial. Here 32 factorial, 30. So this is equal to 31 factorial. So 60 minus 29, that is 31 factorial. This is 30 factorial. On the whole, you can cancel 30 factorial. Here it is 30 factorial, here 29 factorial, here 31 factorial. You can cancel 29 factorial. So like that you do. So first you cancel 60 factorial here. So if you cancel 60 factorial, what happens here? 62 into 61 upon. Here you are cancelling 30 factorial. 30 factorial means here it is 32 into 31. So here you are cancelling 29. So here 29 means 30. Minus already 60 factorial cancelled. Here you are cancelling 30 factorial. That's why this is a 31. Already 29 factorial you are cancelling. So this is equal to alpha by. You are cancelled 30 factorial and you are cancelling 29 factorial. That is equal to 31 times 30. Okay, into 29 factorial. Again here you can cancel here. You can cancel this 31, 31, 31 also you can cancel. Very nice. And if it is 62 times 61 by 32 times 31. Any more cancellations, and if you do the alpha value, take -1 to that side, +1 will become, and calculate that. Anyhow, on the whole, if you calculate, the 16 alpha value will be 211. 211 will be the answer. Okay. So, very, very nice problem. So, if you know the properties of binomial distribution, so if you know this property, the problem is a very, very easy one. Okay. So, basing on this property only, the problem is framed. Okay. Right. So, let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to next problem. Find the real number of real solutions of 4x to the power of 7 plus 3x cube plus 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. Yes, it is a polynomial equation of degree 7. Okay. So, he is asking how many number of real solutions are there. So, out of the 7 solutions, all may be real, all may be imaginary, some real or some imaginary. Okay, we do not know, but he is asking how many real solutions are there. But so, if you observe here, 7 is an odd number. So, every odd number odd degree, every odd degree polynomial has at least one real root. Every odd degree polynomial has at least one real root. That means, if you draw the graph of any odd degree, if you draw the graph of y is equal to any odd degree polynomial, definitely it will intersect the x-axis at somewhere other. At least one time it will intersects. Observe the y is equal to x cube graph. This will be like this, no? So, definitely it will intersect. Y is equal to x power 5, x power 7 plus something something. If you draw the graph, it intersects the x-axis at least one time, at least one. That means, one real root, one real solution is confirmed. And what about something remaining? So, first observe what is the nature of the curve y is equal to. What is the nature of the curve y is equal to? So, whether it is increasing or decreasing, let us check. So, first find out dy by dx. So, dy by dx is equal to, so this is equal to how much? 28x power 6 plus 9x square plus 5. So, if you observe what here x power 6, here x square, x power 6 x square, whatever may be the value, and one more thing, you have plus 5, plus 5. It is always greater than 0. It is always greater than 0. Understand? It is always greater than 0. That means, it is an increasing function. It is an increasing function. It is an increasing function. Increasing function. First of all, it has an odd degree. It will definitely have one real root, and moreover, it is an increasing function. Means what? Wherever it starts, it is increasing, increasing, increasing. Increasing means what? It intersects the x-axis at only one point. It intersects the x-axis at one and only one point. Therefore, the number of real solutions are one only. The number of real solutions are one only. First thing, odd degree, definitely it will have one real solution, and moreover, it is an increasing function. How can you say? First derivative test, greater than 0 for all x values belongs to real numbers. That means it is an increasing function, and definitely it is increasing, it never decreasing. If it is a decreasing somewhere from another interval, definitely it will intersect another time, but it is a strictly an increasing function. Therefore, whatever may be the curve, wherever it starts, it intersects the x-axis at one and only one point. Okay, na? So, I hope that you understand this logic. So, answer is 1. Okay. So, coming next, go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to the next problem. The mean and variance of 15 observations are 8 and 9 respectively. If one observation is wrongly taken as 5 in place of 20, then what is the correct variance? The question is very, very clear. There are 15 observations are there. There is a statement means n is equal to 15 observations are there, and it is mean is given as 8 and the variance is given as 9. Of course, they are wrong. They are wrong. Why? Because if one observation is wrongly taken as 5 in place of 20, Okay, actually the correct observation is 20, but they have taken as 5. Then what is the correct variance? This, first of all, x bar means what? Sum of the observations by number of observations is equal to 8. So therefore, what is the sum of the observations? 8 into 15, that is equal to 120. Sum of the observations. Now, what is the correct? This is wrong sum. What is the correct sum? That is 120 minus wrong observations plus correct observation. Minus wrong observations plus correct observation. That is 120 plus 20, 140. 140 minus 5, 135. This is the correct sum. Correct sum. Like that, we have to find out the correct variance. Okay, now correct sum we have to find out, right? So the next thing is what you have to find out. So what is the variance? Variance we know, sigma xi square by n minus whatever may be the mean whole square. That is given as how much? 9. That is given as 9. So what is sigma xi square? Sigma xi square by, we don't know, n means number of observations 15. What is a mean? What is mean? Wrong mean. Wrong mean is 8. 8 square, 64 is equal to 9. Okay, now, so from this you can calculate this as a sigma xi square is equal to minus 64. If it goes that side, plus 64. 64 plus 9, that is 73 times 15. 73 into 50. 73 into 50. That is a, this is wrong one. This is a wrong one. Wrong one. Wrong value. Now, what is correct value? Correct value of the sigma xi square is what? That is what? That is, what is the correct value of sigma xi square? That is 73 into 15 minus, what is the wrong observation? Minus 5 square plus 20 square. Minus 5 square. That means we have to sum of the squares of the observation. That means the wrong observation is 5 square. This is what sigma xi means, sum of the squares of the observations. Understand? So if you calculate this, you will get this as a 1470. 1470. Okay, now we will calculate the correct variance. Okay, so let us continue the solution. Welcome back to the remaining problem. So what is the correct variance? Correct variance is equal to sigma xi square by n minus correct mean. If you say correct mean whole square. What is sigma xi square? This is equal to 1470 by 50 minus what is the correct mean? That means correct sum. Correct sum is 135 by sum of the number of observations is 15 whole square. So this is the ultimate answer. Okay, now. So if you calculate this, you will get the answer as 70. Okay, now. So very easy problem this is. So if you observe the logic here. Okay, now. So I hope that you understand the solution. Let us go for next problem. Dear students, coming to the problem, this is from differential equation. If x times 1 minus x square dy by dx minus 3x square y minus 4x cube is equal to 0 and y of 2 is equal to minus 2, then the value of xy minus x cube y plus x power 4 is. So very nice problem this is. So you can do this problem by converting it into linear differential equation in y. But the very easy thing is, if you observe here, you multiply this here inside and multiply with dx also. Here it is x dx. So x dy minus x cube dy minus you multiply here 3x square y dx plus y dx plus 4x cube dx is equal to 0. So what I did, you know, I multiply with dx, I cross multiply dx and open the bracket also. Okay, now, right. So if you observe here, see here, x dy y dx, x dy y dx. So this is the derivative of xy. Okay, now. So observe here, if you observe here, this is the derivative of x cube y, derivative of x cube y. See here. So x cube into dy by dx plus y into what is the derivative of x cube 3x square dx. Okay, now plus 4x cube dx is equal to 0. Okay, now right. So now take integral, integral, integral. So what happens? So this will be xy minus x cube y plus this is a x cube means x power 4 by 4, 4 will cancel, x power 4 plus c is equal to 0, constant of integration. Okay, now so to find the constant of integration, what is the hint given? So this is the hint given, y of 2 is equal to minus 2. That means this is x value and it is y value. Substitute here wherever x is there, 2 into minus 2 minus, so 2 cube 8 into y value minus 2 plus x power 4, 2 power 4, 16 plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is a minus 4 plus 16 plus 16 plus c is equal to 0. C is equal to 16 plus 16, how much? 32, 32 minus 4, 28 plus 28, it is minus 28. So c value is minus 28. Substitute c value minus 28 here. So xy minus x cube y plus x power 4 minus 28 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus x power 4 is equal to 28. So if you see, this is your problem. Xy minus x cube y plus x power 4 is equal to 28. So 28 is your answer. So very nice problem. This is the only thing what you have to do is rearranging the terms. If you rearrange the term, the answer will be automatically it will come. So dear students, I hope that you enjoyed today's class with some more problems, and I will come before you in tomorrow's class. Until then, all the best.